In this video, I will share with you step-by-step instruction how to peel and prepare raw vegetable for a side dish or to serve with a meal. Very simple and easy. To prepare my raw vegetable, I'll be using cucumber. I'll be also using lettuce. I will also using tomatoes. So first, you wash and get these things clean as usual, and then the preparation will be like the first thing with the cucumber. We will peel some of the green skin. You don't want to take all of it because you want it to be presentable, so it would have like a green and white look. So you skip, when you're peeling it, you skip spaces. Then you will cut your cucumber in I'm using the circular shape. So you just gently cut your cucumber in serving size or serving pieces or circle, whatever. You just want this thing to look presentable. Raw veg can just eat as it is, but when you're presenting some food or anything to someone, you need to look properly and nice. So this is a plate with our lettuce. So we add the pieces of cucumber to the plate. Looking good already. So the video is all about, it's about presentation, because you could just get a cucumber and bite on it. So if you are picking your tomatoes from your tree or your own garden, or you're buying it in the supermarket or the market, wherever, wash them, then you cut them in circular circles again. However, you don't have to cut in these circular pieces, but this is how I'm doing it. Excuse me. So cut them in whatever shape or style you like, but I'm doing it circular. This is what I'm presenting my raw veget, and it's nothing hard. It's all about presentation, as I say. Everyone can put some vegetable together, but some people presentation will look outstanding than some. So this video is all about presentation. Simple, easy, and looking good. So here you have it. This is your tomatoes, your lettuce, and your cucumber in your dish. So we could I will be adding this could be served just like this, and we gotta put a couple pieces of avocado there. So I'm from Jamaica, so Jamaican call it pear. So whatever you know it does, we gotta put some pieces of avocado to our plate. Yes, so this can be used or serve as a side dish. So here comes our avocado. So you can cut it in small pieces and you can serve it in pegs. So whatever look presentable for you. So we are doing pegs here. So this is our avocado. So this is very simple to do. Just buy some vegetable wash them, get them clean, cut them to whatever shape or style you want, put them in your dish looking very presentable or looking nice, and present it. So this is all to it. Lettuce, tomatoes, cucumber, avocado, and that's it. Serve. You can eat as it is. Healthy meal. You can serve with lunch or dinner. If you want a vegetable salad, you can have it the same. So this is just presenting the vegetables, because not everybody know presentation. Some of my videos, what I do, people know, but some people don't. So I cannot just say everybody should know how to do that. So who don't know, this video should be very interested to them. And do remember, if this video is educational or interested, remember to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, share. Highly appreciate it. This motivates me to do more video like this. So here is a farm with some lettuce. So this is all, I think this is like a greenhouse. Yeah, so this is how some people farm lettuce. So this is just the lettuce, just showing you some of the thing. And this is like a basket or whatever with some tomatoes, avocado, and some fruits. And this is our tough chef showing off his best knife style. So this is a different style of cutting the cucumber. We're not cutting a circular motion. This is, and I didn't peel this one as well. So as I say, it's optional. Optional. Do what you want to do and present your thing different. If you present your dish and it look better than mine, send me a link with your video. I will watch. I will leave a comment. So show me your presentation. I'm happy to see. This is the cucumber again. This is a different peeling. We're peeling the green skin but not make it go into white, so it have a different looking green. So there's a lot of different way you can do this. This is our tomato again. This is a different cutting. So this is more like cutting like in a hard formation. It's not round. So as I said, flexible. So this is the vegetable market, where you get variety of vegetable and fruits, and you could add more vegetable to your salad, but we just use 4. And this is an X-cutting method again, where you can cut your vegetables. So as I say, it's flexible. Just do your vegetable and enjoy.